super excited today to share with you a new product that I've got, Kodak Instant Photo Printer. I think it's really cool and I can't wait to try it out. So, cartridge and paper. And instant dog printer. Thank you. Kodak photo printer quick guide menu, of course. Printing paper. Some parts to build it together. And this is the adapter and the photo printer. As you can see, it's very light and relatively small, so if you wanna go on a trip, you can technically take it with you if you like, and you can find a nice place anywhere in your apartment. So yeah, at least it's much more convenient, I think, than the other printer I have at home right now. So let's see what else we've got. It's not all. Charger and cable. Right. That's what cartridge looks like. Now I'm gonna build it together and test on some of my favorite photos, and let's see how easy it is to build it together and to use, and what is the photos quality. You can see first step, yellow color. Second step, magenta color. I've learned not to be too impatient. There are 4 steps. I would call this one blue color, but it's called cyan color, something like that. Sorry for my English. And coating. And we are ready. Looks like real sushi. I'm so happy with the quality. If you're wondering about the price, the printer is available at Amazon currently for 177 euros. And if you buy the largest available spare paper package for, I think, 120 pictures, this will cost you about 50 euros. So if you calculate the price for one picture, which is about 30 cents. And according to Kodak photo printer, as the pictures get laminated at the end, they will last for at least 100 years. That's why we decided to use them in our new project. So today, Konstantin and me, we are doing the time capsule with our new Kodak photo printer. So what we got a metal box, right? And a couple of our favorite moments, as you can see. As you can see also the quality of the photos, right? We're in countryside, the lake. As you can also see in the app, you can add a few stars or whatever stickers you like. And what we're gonna do, we're gonna dig the box, obviously in the ground, and we hope that due to the quality, the photos will be still good to look at in 100 years. So And what I've done, I've written a little message to the people who will find our box in 100 years. So it's in German, but it says have fun digging, and it's not our real treasure, right? So it's just one of what we have thought of the use cases for this awesome printer. And for example, Konstantin has a lot more, like Konstantin has his driving school, as you maybe already know from our channel. So we were thinking if the students, pass their exam successfully, we can immediately print the photo out and hand out to them for their life happy memory. What else we can do? I was thinking it could be awesome to bring to the summer company party, and it's because it works not only with sticking your mobile phone to the device, but we have Bluetooth as well. So everybody, regardless whether you have an Android or Apple handy mobile phone, you can always print your photos. We were thinking for my company summer party, so everybody can print their pictures live. What else we can do? So we were thinking about actually pretty many use cases, and we will share in the following videos when we've checked it out, right? And now time for digging and putting our treasure together. Konstantin looking for treasures. And sushi, in our new Japanese restaurant. Very old picture. It's me in Disneyland. Disneyland in Japan.
Okay.
Also in Japan. This is old, so the quality is not so good, as you can see. But I was young. So, like I said. And our note.
Andersrum. Turn.
So?
Ja, perfekt.
Fertig. Professional. Ja?
Ja. Da wird doch schon ein Hügel zurückbleiben.
So.
Maybe in 100 years, people dig out that box and will be very surprised what Asian people had done. For joke.
Good.
Fun.
Exactly. And if you are watching this in 100 years, so greetings and yeah, have fun in 2122.